makes you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong.
Hey y'all, it's LB back with another video, and today is going to be a day in my life trying to get back into the Christmas spirit after final season. Because literally when I tell you yesterday, not even yesterday, 12 a.m. I finished my final. I turned in all my finals, and right now today is Friday the 16th, and everything is done. All my finals are done, and now I can finally de-stress. I can finally figure out what I'm gonna do, and I have to pack because I'm going back home tomorrow, and I'm so excited to go home because I haven't seen anyone. Well, since I haven't seen anyone since Thanksgiving, which is not too long. And I have a lot of things to do today that I'm gonna take y'all along with me to do, but I put a whole notes thing right here so I can figure out what I'm doing, because honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So I'm supposed to be going ice skating. I'm going to clean my room because y'all don't see it, but it's a mess. It is so bad because I've literally just been here studying because I had like a bunch of take-home finals. So all I literally was doing was at my desk on my bed studying for like hours, and then when I have to pack, read my Bible, then I have to go to Target because I want to get some candy. Yeah, I have to buy a beanie, another one, so hopefully they have a beanie. That's literally all I want, and that's literally about it. But I'm gonna take y'all along with me for that, but I need to get ready. It's currently like 2:40. We're gonna go ice skating at 5, so I need to start getting ready by like 3:30, the latest. I have to just like straighten my hair, do my makeup, and hopefully I can get pictures because that'll be iconic. That'll be real good. But yeah, so let's get the day started. Mind you, it's 3 o'clock. This video should start at 11. So let's go on. Okay guys, rain check. I actually went to Target and I got my candy. It's open. Can y'all hear the music is going crazy right now. But yeah, they didn't have beans at Target. So I came to Walgreens and there are a couple I'm gonna look through. So the selection is giving slim but not, but they have these two. Like this one is a headband where it twists in the front. Kind of cute, kind of simple. And then they actually have a beanie, but y'all know the beanie I'm going for. The beanie, the Mila Cooper beanies. Like, I want one of those because they have those at Target. It's between this one or this one. And they also have it in black and gray. But I think I'm gonna get this in black. The music is going crazy right now, which is iconic. But yeah, they have two. I think I'm gonna get this one. But I don't know if I want gray. But I don't think gray would match. So we are gonna play it safe and get black. I look crazy. My hair looks crazy. And I just came back from Target and Walgreens, as you guys saw. And literally all I got was two things. Candy. And it wasn't even a beanie, bruh. It was just this headband because, y'all, my lace, it's time to go. It's time to get out. But now it's like 4:30. And like I said, we're supposed to go ice skating at 5. It's giving those TikTokers that be like, I have 5 minutes to get ready and da-da-da-da. Actually, y'all, to update you about the ice skating, we were looking at the times, or we were looking at it, the place that we're gonna go online. They were basically all booked up, so you can't buy any more tickets to do ice skating. So we're like, dang, because this was really last minute. We're like, oh, let's go ice skating. So we were like, oh, I guess not. And guys, I lost my spoolie. I have no idea where that is at. And it hasn't become an issue yet, so I'm not tripping at it. But yeah, so we're like, okay, we're not gonna go ice skating, but we're gonna still go to SF and just like look around, see all the Christmas decorations, because usually over there it's like really nice. So we're gonna do that. And then also my friend is having a kickback thingy at her apartment after, so we're gonna do that as well. So we're still doing something. And my hair looks crazy, like absolutely insane. But I think I'm probably just gonna start my eyebrows a bit and then straighten my hair. It takes me like a cool 45 minutes to do my makeup if I want to do it fast. Like usually it could take me like upwards an hour 30, but if I on a time constraint, I can real life do this in 45 minutes. The longest part is the brows. Like, those take forever. Right now, I'm just trying to do my makeup fast, but not crazy because it could come out crazy and we don't want that. And honestly, I just do my eyebrows like low-key, kind of messy, but when I clean them up, that's when everything gets fixed and resolved. But I'm gonna basically come back at y'all when I'm doing my foundation. Okay, y'all, brows are done. Hair, I just put heat protectant and all my anti-frizz products in it, so I'm about to go straighten that. But brows done, cute. And my friend just texted me that she's gonna be pulling up at 6 instead, so we bought us some time. But I'm still moving slow, like that's still not an hour. But once my brows are done, everything just goes like this. Boom, boom, boom. Right now, I need to do my makeup, and I was looking at my foundation, and I don't want to use that one. And I changed my shirt because I was realizing, like, I don't want to get anything dirty. Using my Laura Mercier one because that one's a little pricey, and well, not even pricey. I got that for like a real good sale, real good sale. Instead, I'm just gonna take my Fit Me. I haven't used this in a while, so I don't even know if I like this still. I hope it's still fine, but yeah, this has not been used in a while, so hopefully it's still good. So the portion on the back of my hand that I have to make sure I don't pour too much out because there's no way for me to fix it back up again. Okay, it's not too bad. Yeah, I'm just so excited that finals are over that I can literally do nothing and be okay with that. I'm just trying to do all the stuff that I've been pushing off and do all the stuff that I wanted to do, but I couldn't because of class, like YouTube and stuff. So I'm excited to have time to do that. Okay, let me not talk too much because I'm gonna have smile lines. This shade match goes stupid. Like, you could never go wrong with a Fit Me. You could never go wrong with no Fit Me. And right now, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer and fix it up. Okay, I don't know why I put it like everywhere, knowing that this dries down fast. Okay, guys, now applying bronzer to my face to warm it back up again. I'm going in with some blush to really add that color back. Okay, makeup is done. I don't know, I have to do lashes, but I don't know why on camera it's giving I did nothing. Like, in person it's giving beat down, but on camera it's giving, oh, she put concealer on. Like, this is, in person it's giving beat face. I'm gonna show y'all in better lighting because maybe that's it. But right now I'm just gonna set my makeup so everything's not in place. And if you guys can tell, as I was doing it, I was not putting any makeup on my forehead because I'm gonna be wearing a beanie and I don't want any makeup to transfer, so I don't want to deal with that. But probably gonna just spray like this so nothing gets on my forehead. I feel like setting spray just melts all together because y'all can tell, but in person the under eye powder is giving harsh. I'm like, whoa, why are we jump scaring the girls? It's giving Halloween, but it's Christmas. We don't want that. So right now I'm just gonna go in and just like kind of blend in the powder where it's kind of splotchy. Done with this. Now I need to do my hair. Right now it's 2:34, so I have like not that long, or 30 minutes left, which is perfect timing. So right now I'm probably just gonna go in and straighten my hair. I didn't know if I want to curl it, straighten it, but I think straightening it might just be like easier. Okay, right now going in with my heat protectant. This one is so good. Literally, it's perfect for what I need to do, which is not too much. Just get my hair straight and keep it straight. And as you can see, I'm running out. Yeah, y'all can see. Was that really it? Not me saying I'm running out and that be the last pump. Dang, I did not know. Like I said, I knew it was empty, but I know it was empty. Let me see if there's anything I can get. Okay, there was some, so I just put it on my palm. And I'm probably just gonna go into the front of my hair, sides, just rake it there. You don't need that much, so actually that was probably enough. I don't need to do that. I need to get more of that, but the bottle alone is $12. Like, $12 for a spray? Not bad. So I still have not put my lashes on. If you know anything about me, I don't like putting on lashes. I don't know, just like, it's so uncomfortable. But like when you have them on, it's like, oh, it's fine. But putting on lashes annoy me. So I do that step like as last as possible. But like I realize like I can't not wear lashes. Like I've tried it and your makeup just looks incomplete. And that's not what we're gonna give right now. We're not giving incomplete look. Just put everything away because like all my makeup stuff is out. And mind y'all, didn't I say I have to pack? Like I'm leaving tomorrow. Not early tomorrow, but like afternoon tomorrow. So I don't know, I haven't packed yet. But like given that it was literally just finals, the last thing on my mind was packing. So I have not packed. I'm probably gonna go not in like huge sections, but like pretty big ones because again, I don't have that much time. And how do you guys straighten your hair? Because usually I just grab a piece, run my brush through it so I can get as like all the knots out. And then do this. The whole like chase method. But I never know if I'm supposed to do like the brush first or last. So I just do that. And then after the fact, since I don't even want to put that much heat on my hair, I'm just gonna do one pass. But y'all see the movement. Y'all see the straightness. Y'all can't really tell, but yeah. So what do you guys do? I think I guess I should do both since I go back into the brush. But I'm gonna do this to my entire head. This is gonna take some time. So I'm gonna come back when it's all done. Okay, y'all, hair is done. I literally forgot how good this hair is. Like, what? Like, what? Come on. I was just treating it dirty. Like, get into the 30 inch. Get into the 30 inch. Get into the 30 inch. Come on, babe. But the lace, not too much. Not too much on the lace. So that's literally why I bought this. Because my hair looks crazy. Okay, y'all. I put it on. Tell me it ain't cute. Tell me it's not giving, like, baby, it's cold outside. Like, I don't know how the back looks. If it looks crazy, that's not my business. I don't know if I want to bring all the hair to the front. This might serve as a cold girl, Eskimo look. What's an Eskimo? I don't know. Or just like a little tussle like this. Get some pictures. No lip gloss on, mind you. Imagine what our glasses will serve. But I did not do my makeup just to slap some glasses on. But why, low-key, why are the glasses like a serve? Okay, maybe I'm just going crazy, but like low-key it's not, like, tell me it's not giving. Let me know. Okay, it's actually 6 o'clock and I just checked the time and I'm acting like I have all the time in the world, and she says she's gonna pull it around 6. So basically what I'm gonna wear is a black jumpsuit, but I don't like how low it gets in the front, so I'm gonna put another black jumpsuit on top. And this jumpsuit is a tank, so why would I wear that as it's on its own? But I love this. I got it from Shein, but the only thing is it's way too big. I got it in a size smalls too, so why is it too big? But I'm gonna come back when it's on. Okay, outfit is on. I have to put my shoes on as well. I was gonna wear my dunks, but actually I'm probably just gonna wear these Jordans. So I don't even wear these ones that much because they have like the most random colors on there. Like what I'm gonna pair with orange and neon green. So I'm gonna wear them since this is an all black outfit. So it'll look fine with just like a splash of random colors. This is without the tank top, and then I don't know if this looks better. I don't like the neckline. I feel like it's just too low, and I always have to like constantly keep pulling up because of how low it is. But let me see in the mirror if it's some better. I think it's better. It's way better. I'll show you guys a better view of my outfit in just a second, but the beanie is so cute. It really is giving cold girl, and I love that for me. And then now I'm actually gonna put my lashes on. This is just from like a pack of lashes I got from Amazon, and they're double stacked, and these are in like Russian curl, so they can give like a lash extension look, because that's like what the vibe is. Like, I don't know, regular lashes don't look good to me. If y'all know, those used to be my thing. Like, literally, you can look at my old videos from high school. I used to rock them things like it was nothing. And mind you, it was like 7 o'clock in the morning. The fact that it's like, I used to do my makeup every single day for school, and now I literally wake up like 10 minutes before my class starts to get ready. It's really, really different. Lashes are on. The lash eats, this lash style eats like crazy. I think I'm gonna wear this bag. I got this one from Shein. It's so cute. Again, this is one of the things I have not worn ever. It's either that or no bag. We're gonna go with it. We're gonna say yes to the dress. Y'all see the vision, y'all see the vibes. Now we're gonna hit him with this and then just put some gloss on top. Okay. It's giving, baby. It's cold outside. Grab a sweater, grab a jacket. It's cold, baby. And we can give the girls cozy. Give the girls, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go. Everything from Shein. Shein. This, Amazon. And as y'all saw, Walgreens. Okay, y'all. My friend just texted me that she's here. I'ma and see what it do. Okay, y'all, this is a fuller look at the outfit, man. It's really cute, really simple, and this is a bag, but I'm gonna throw my puffer on the purse. Like I said, everything is from Shein. Y'all, so it's the next day. Did I update y'all? No, but I will update y'all in a second. But right now we are in a shopping mall and going shopping. And I was able to pack in time. It's 2 hours flat, which was not good after I came home, because I came home at 3 o'clock yesterday. But it looks really cute and pretty.